G'day. Do you have a problem rolling your hose up? Well, what I've been using for quite a few years is this Velcro strap. Simple as that. Now, I probably bought it off eBay. Just wrap it around the hose. Keeps it all together. And that's it. Another helpful tip from the painter. Morning everybody. We've got a new project here. Now it's a repaint and I'm going to be doing it by myself. Hopefully it's not going to kill me, and the biggest problem with it is it's dark. So now I'll give you a bit of a look at what we've got to do, or what I got to do. They want it in a light colour. Hopefully it's you've got to try and get some kind of coverage power over this stuff. I don't know how it's going to happen, but we've got to, it's very dark in here. But it's definitely 300 plus. Got some water damage. Water damage in some of these areas. We've got some structural movement. Bedrooms there are, there's quite a few bedrooms. Yeah, raw pain in the arse, to be honest. Just looking at it, there's quite a lot in it. And I'm probably gonna be sorry that I took it on. It's dark brown doors. Well, the thing is, where do you start? That's the biggest problem, where do you start? So I think what I'll start with is start with some undercoat, I suppose. Do some glossing of some, this is all oil based gloss enamel. And thick too, so it's quite a good paint job originally when it was done. It's just a bad colour. Take me about 2 weeks, as if I'm very, very lucky. Now I had to give away a new home for this. I had another new home ready to start, 270 square metre one. This is just around the corner from my house, so like just around the corner, like only 3-4 minutes drive, maybe 6 minutes drive from my house. And yeah, so that's why I decided to do this one. I know I'm going to be sorry I chose to, because it's a bit of a pig, to be honest with you. And I think their expectations might be a little bit high for what you're getting. But yeah, anyhow. I might try the Super Hide wash and wear on this house and see how we go with it. I've just brought some with me just to test on the walls to see what it covers. If not, I've got 3 coats of 1 undercoat and 2 top coats, probably low sheen. I would like to go a matte, wash and wear matte on it. That would make things a bit easier for me. Flat ceilings, of course. The colour we've chosen, or the colour he's chosen, he has changed his mind a couple of times. So that's another thing that worries me. But the colour he's chosen is, where is it? No, it's not in here. He's taken it with him. Maybe to change his mind again. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully I might be able to keep you updated. Catch ya. Bye.